Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of premium floor-standing speakers with a lineup that promises to deliver exceptional audio experiences. From the robust Klipsch Reference RP8000 F2 and the detailed KEF Q950B Q Series, to the elegant Wharfedale EVO4.4 and the powerful Klipsch Reference RF-7 III, all the way to the sophisticated MartinLogan Motion XT F200. Stick around as we explore their unique features, sound quality, and which one might be your perfect fit. Let's get started. Number 5. The Klipsch Reference RP8000 F2 floor-standing speaker stands out as the flagship model in Klipsch's acclaimed lineup. This powerhouse delivers dynamic, impactful sound perfect for music and home theater enthusiasts alike. Equipped with dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers, it provides robust bass and mid-range, while the one horn-loaded tweeter ensures clear, crisp highs. Notable upgrades include a vented linear travel suspension tweeter housed in a larger Tractrix horn, enhancing sound dispersion and creating a wide, immersive sweet spot. The revamped woofer motors and aluminum shorting rings reduce distortion and handle extra power with ease. The RP8000 F2's cabinet design includes additional bracing and sectional division to minimize resonance and vibration, resulting in clearer sound. The dual rear-firing Tractrix ports enhance bass response, making placement away from walls crucial for optimal performance. Featuring biamp or bi-wire capabilities through dual binding posts, this speaker offers versatile setup options for audiophiles. The magnetic grille, scratch-resistant ebony vinyl finish, and cast aluminum feet combine to provide both aesthetic appeal and practical durability. Exceptional sound quality and versatile setup options make this speaker a standout. It does require a subwoofer for maximum bass impact, and its large, heavy design necessitates careful handling. Overall, the RP8000 F2 is a top-tier choice for those seeking superior audio performance. Number 4. The KEF Q950B Q Series 8-inch 2.5-way floor-standing speaker delivers an enhanced home theater experience with its UniQ driver array, producing a full-bodied sound that spreads evenly throughout the room. With a frequency range of 44 Hz to 28 kHz, this sealed cabinet speaker ensures clear, detailed tones from low to high and produces up to 113 decibels of clean, rolling bass. The 8-inch aluminum woofer and 1x2 aluminum tweeter offer a complete range of sounds, while the 2.5-way system creates a cohesive audio experience. User reviews highlight the Q950B's exceptional sound quality. One user praised its ability to reveal intricate details in music, such as a musician's mistakes or the brush of a finger over guitar strings. They noted the tight, contained bass and the well-balanced sound, emphasizing that these speakers provide high-end performance. Another user, with a challenging acoustic environment, found the Q950B's highs, mids, and lows to be remarkable. Despite placement limitations, the Q950B produced an impressive soundstage. While they mentioned a slight trade-off in bass depth compared to larger woofers, they appreciated the speaker's overall taut bass and stunning performance. The Q950B's compatibility with high-resolution audio sources and its elegant walnut finish further enhance its appeal. Number 3. The Wharfedale EVO4.4 floor-standing speakers are an exceptional choice for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. With their elegant design and dynamic sound, they are perfect for enhancing your music, movies, and TV shows. The advanced folded ribbon tweeter produces silky smooth high frequencies, complemented by a dedicated 2-inch soft dome mid-range driver and two 6 and 1x2 woven Kevlar woofers for thrilling bass down to 40 Hz. The curved bass reflex cabinet with internal bracing reduces sound muddying vibrations, ensuring clear and detailed audio. The EVO4.4 speakers are part of Wharfedale's EVO4 series, which can be combined with other models like the EVO4.C center channel, EVO4.1 bookshelf speakers, and EVO4.S surround speakers for a complete home theater setup. The 3-way design, air motion transformer tweeter, and biamping or bi-wiring capabilities contribute to their high-performance design. User reviews highlight the speaker's impressive bass response and smooth sound profile. One reviewer praised the deep and precise bass, clear mids, and airy highs, noting the beautiful sound and elegant reel wood finish. Another reviewer appreciated the excellent sound quality at both low and high volumes, creating an impressive soundstage. Overall, the Wharfedale EVO4.4 floor-standing speakers offer premium sound quality and sophisticated design, making them a standout choice for any audio setup. Number 2. The Klipsch Reference RF-7 III floor-standing speaker is a remarkable addition to any home audio setup. With an upgraded 1 and 3 by 4-inch Tractrix horn-loaded tweeter, 2 new 10 woofers, dual rear firing ports, and an improved crossover network, this speaker is a true standout. It boasts a frequency response of 32 to 25,000 Hz, 100 decibel sensitivity, and an impedance of 8 ohms, ensuring robust and clear sound at all levels. User reviews emphasize the exceptional audio quality of the RF-7 III. One reviewer noted the speaker's ability to deliver a full and realistic soundstage, capturing the depth and pluck of bass, the tightness of drums, and the clarity of vocals. Another reviewer appreciated the speaker's performance with hip-hop, praising its serious bass output and overall sound quality. Proudly made in Hope, Arkansas, each RF-7 III speaker is hand-built and features a plaque signed by the craftsman. However, at just over 4 feet tall and nearly 100 pounds, these speakers are quite large, so plan for assistance when moving and setting them up. Overall, the Klipsch RF-7 III offers an exceptional listening experience for various music genres. Number 1. The MartinLogan Motion XT F200 3-way floor-standing speaker is a high-performance speaker that combines sleek design with exceptional audio quality. Featuring a 6.5-inch mid-range driver and 3/8 bass drivers, this speaker is designed to deliver powerful and detailed sound. The Gen 2 Folded Motion XT tweeter, with its 40% increase in surface area, provides higher levels of detail and effortless sound, while the Motion waveguide ensures precise dispersion of sound across a wide listening area. User reviews highlight the speaker's ability to accommodate various listening environments. One reviewer appreciated its ability to create a wide soundstage, making it suitable for both critical listening and casual enjoyment. They noted its impressive performance in large rooms and its aesthetic appeal, which even won over their initially skeptical spouse. Another reviewer praised the F200's sound quality and visual appeal, noting that these speakers deliver deep, accurate bass, rich mid-range, and crisp highs. They found the speakers well-suited for both music and movies, creating an immersive experience. The F200's robust build quality and elegant design make them a standout choice for audiophiles seeking top-tier performance and aesthetics.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.